Recording in progress.
Morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? Says are not only us. So, online students, can you hear my voice now? So, the last class yesterday,
According to application, arrays are categorized into 5 types. Means array is used to hold user-defined class objects. Arrays are used to hold string objects. Arrays are used to hold wrapper class objects. Array can hold array objects. We call it as two-dimensional array. Array can hold dissimilar objects also. We call it as object array. It's a theory. Okay, right. Now, today's class is here's some comfortable information available. Anybody tried this by taking support of other language codes? You try it. If not, I'll give some solutions to you. Okay, right. Now, now we have to say the disadvantage of array and we should go. But from many days you are waiting for public static void main. You are waiting. So let us have a small discussion on that public static void main. Then we shall write disadvantage of array and we go forward for collection, right? String chapter will be working. Don't worry. Yesterday also I used a string, no? Somewhere I'll use strings and I'll come back. Saturday is there, not after tomorrow. That Saturday I'll take few methods outside and run it. So today, tomorrow, let me introduce collection introduction. Okay, right. What's the plan? Right. Look here. Define command line argument program. Command line argument program. Command line argument program. The program in which we pass arguments. Arguments means values. Parameters means variables. There is a difference actually. Arguments means values. Parameters means variables. Small difference will be there. See there? Suppose one method is there. If I call the method, roughly I'm writing ob.add. If I call, I'll send 12, 13. I'll send. For this add method, I am passing value. So these are known as arguments. Arguments means values. The same thing I can do like this. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. I can pass a comma b. I can pass. If I pass a comma b also, value only will go. But you are passing variables as parameter, no? Or variables, no? Whenever we pass variable, these are parameters, you can say. So, interchangingly you can use parameters, arguments, parameters you can use. But small basic difference is, if I pass variable, variables also holding value only. If I pass variable, that is parameters. No, sir. I'll pass the value directly. That is known as an argument. So, the program in which we pass arguments to standard main method. Standard main method. The program in which we pass arguments to standard main method is known as command line argument program. The program in which we pass arguments to standard main method is known as command line argument program. Command line argument program. We pass arguments to standard main method while execution command. We pass arguments to standard main method while execution command because the main method call is available in execution command. Execution command is nothing but main method call. The execution command itself is a main method call actually. We pass arguments to standard main method while execution command because the main method call is available in execution command. So the syntax will be like this. Whenever you want to execute a program, we are using a command known as Java. Java followed by class name. Then you can pass argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. Don't use commas. Commas not there. Space. Dot. Like this, you can pass any number of arguments. You can pass. So this is execution command followed by class name followed by arguments. So we are passing arguments while execution command. Execution command itself is a main method call. So the main method will take the value. That's the meaning actually. Okay, right. Now see. Whatever the values you passed, the values will be holded by string array. Means the arguments are holded. Means arguments are holded by one string array. That only string args. Okay, right. Like this, the visual. This program we type in the form of edit plus we type it. Because I must type Java command, I must type no because of this reason. So your old 151, I think. Right here, I'll take demo main. I will take some demo main. I'll take. Now the arguments will come here. First, let me write one message first. System.out.println main method. The values are coming from main method. I will save this program in demo 151. Demo main dot Java. I'll make it. So I'll compile this program and run the program. Demo 151, no? Right. Demo 151. Now Java C demo main dot Java. If I run like this, the message will come. But here I can pass values. Task, some character, some float value, some integer value, I can pass. But error not coming. So whatever the arguments I pass now, the arguments will be available in the form of string array. You know how to display array. What is the array name here now? ARGS. I am writing extended for easiness. Array name, container name is ARGS. What type of data available is string. The data available in ARGS is string. Now here display system dot out dot println. The arguments I am printing. Just for message purpose, I am doing that argument printing. K I am printing. K means K dot to string, no? Yes or no? No. K dot to string. If you don't write also, to string is there. Now run it. If it is array, the answer should come. So I am passing arguments. Task A 12.3412. My intention, one string, one character, one float, one integer, one boolean. You can pass any type because string will accept all type. The answer is coming or not now? Argument 1 is task. Argument 2 is A. Argument 3 is 12.34. Means what? Internally, one string array is created. Very important point that. Okay, right. Now, example. You write like this. Under this, you write example Java followed by demo main. Task I taken. A I taken. 12.34 I taken. 12 I taken. False I taken. So I am entering the arguments. Right. Look here. This one, I must draw in the form of a diagram. This one. So this is I entered. Java command here arguments are there. So these are arguments. Nothing but values. These are arguments. Now, how many arguments are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 arguments are there. So here, one address means one reference created. One reference created. Based on the number of arguments you passed, one reference created. One reference created. This reference will hold. This reference will hold. Here 5, no? So 5 string objects. How many string objects now? 5 string objects. This reference is going to hold 5 string objects. So each argument will become one string object. Each argument will become one string object. How many arguments you are giving? That many string objects will be created. Like this. So here task. Here A. A is also in the form of string only here. 12.34 also in the form of string. String specialty, it can hold all types of data. 12 also in the form of string only. And in the form of string. 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 To string. To string. Like this. It's like an array. Like this. One string array. This string array will come to this method. This method. This is one method actually. This method will be loaded with this. Now you understood? Now the address will come here. See, what is the flow here? Whatever you entered here, the Java command, Java followed by class name. In the behavior, it sees the class name. Your execution command will activate JVM. Whenever the JVM activated, class loader subsystem will take that class, load it onto method area. After loading onto method area, the loaders will hold that values and keep it. When loading onto method area, the main method will come. The main method executes. When the main method executes, main method is having one parameter of string args. It has to make that string args ready first. So execution engine will make that ready. That I hide it from you. I shown always first line, no scanner, yes, I shown. But to run main method parameter, it must make ready. For that parameter, it creates one array. Whatever the data available with loader will take it and create one object and load it. In the starting, the students will ask us, please explain main. I will explain, but you will not understand. Some students will ask in the starting, no, when sir, please explain main. I will explain because I am 150 batch trainer, no, I will explain it. But your capability not there to understand because we hide it. Few things we hide from the student because they cannot have that on day one object is there, one address is there. You will not understand. Today you will understand because today journey came, no, object creations, levels. So this is one array. All of you understood this diagram, right? Whenever we pass arguments to standard main method, by terminology, we call it as a command line argument program. Why you are calling it as command line argument program? Because the arguments are entered in the same line of execution command. The arguments entered in the same line of execution command. So they call it as a command line argument. Arguments are available in the same line of execution command. Here main method call is nothing but Java. What's the meaning? Sir, here ARGS is an array variable. What is ARGS now? It is an array variable. If it is an array variable, can I change it? Yes, you can change it. It is one array variable only. You can change it. Array variable, you can change it. Here, error not there. You can change it. So that is one array variable only. ARGS is not predefined variable. It is a user defined variable. Variables you can change it. But since many years, when Java came from 1995, from there to today, if you check any material, ARGS will be there, especially Java complete reference. Many people will follow complete reference book, they will follow. Complete reference Oracle Press, that is. That book is Oracle Press book, that is. So, if anybody want to take the route of your, if anybody asks me a question, which book I should buy means, I'll suggest as a trainer as a complete reference self-register. But when you open complete reference, you will not understand. Because like us, they will not come in order, no. They feel that somebody buy this book means he is buying this book for reference, not for learning. They will think it. Because they'll write the content directly. That book is for reference and extension only, not for learning. If you can learn from a book, this many people will not come to this institute. You'll go to bookstall and you will buy it and go. You cannot understand one material, you cannot learn. Not possible. Not possible. Somebody has to clearly explain that and put in an order. Then only you can understand it. That only we do it. We refer it, we put them in order and we deliver it. Today, main also, these many days I stopped and today I delivered. Because today you had capability of understanding because you know string array. All of you understood this diagram and program? All of you? So ARGS is not a defined one. It is a user defined one. But I am writing ARGS only because many materials will write ARGS. Okay. This diagram I'll paste here. And program. I took demo main.java. This is one main class. Right. We can pass parameter to main method also. Okay, right. Now let us decode that standard main method completed. Since many years you are waiting now. Right. What is the complete syntax now? Public static void main of string ARGS. That array you can use here or here. No issue. You can write here or you can write here. Both are same array. Okay, right. Today, this is ended. So public. Public means access within the project. Access within project. So the visibility is within the project. Static means class level component or object level component. Class level. This is class level. So this is class level. And void represents return type or non-return type? Non-return type. So it will not return any value. Non-return type. So main is a method name. Anyway, it is a method name. Main is a method name. What is this one now? String array. Now you understood what is this one now? Right. So it is one string array. Write it and keep it, all of you. In interview, they'll ask, decode main method. They'll ask it. Write on a paper and speak it. Public means access within the project. access modifier. Static represents class level component. Void represents main is non-return type. Main is a method name. It's a predefined method name. And string args means it is a string array. If they ask him to explain more means, just now I drawn the diagram now, Java, demo main, task A. Like this, you prepare that and by heart that and go. Draw the diagram and show it. By heart that, whatever, by heart it, no problem. Because one question only you'll get it. By heart that program and go. And by heart that diagram and go. If anybody asks, you can draw it and show. You'll give a clarity to him. Okay, he knows the concept. Because for you, command line arguments not there. That program's not there. Because advanced Java will deal about HTML form input. So main will not be there. But one question you are expecting on main. Now look here. Can you explain this? All of you? Right. You must explain that and you had this diagram and if possible, if anybody asked, you must decode it and draw it and show so that you will understand, you know the concept. Okay. Sir, why you are running the program in command prompt? Why you are typing the program in Eclipse? Sorry, edit plus the reason to show this syntax. Because Java command I must show, no? Because I came here. Sir, can I run this program from IDE Eclipse? Yes, you can run it. See the pattern. How to run command line argument program from IDE Eclipse. This output I'll copy. This one I'll keep as it is. This one I'll keep as it is. Okay, right. No problem here. I'll keep as it is like this. I'm showing this one. Right. Okay. Sir, how to run this program from Eclipse? Right. I'll take one project. Demo main. I'll take it. Demo. Roughly some name. So definitely package needed no here. Definitely package needed. How many of you are free by 11 o'clock? Raise your hands. All right, Oracle, right? You are attending Oracle or what? 11 o'clock HTML, huh? $11 o'clock free only. You raised a hand for free, huh? How many of you are not free? Raise your hands. Not free means other batch. How many of you are attending Oracle? Right. How many of you are attending HTML? That two only will be there. Advanced Java means 5:30. If not 11 a.m. That only will be there. So 11 a.m. Okay. Why you asked the question means I'm planning on one small workshop for 2 days. That is next weekend around Thursday, Friday, I think. That is modules. Means here some pending is there that is unable to cover in regular chapters, some advanced feature. I'm planning 2 days. I'm free by 11 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I'm in rest. Management rested me for a few days. So I'm planning one small workshop for 2 days. So you should attend. Leaving that HTML class and Oracle class, you should come. Okay, right. And I conducting for my core Java students only, I'm conducting small enhancement program. Maybe 2 days followed by third day to be there. That also will be 11 o'clock. 11 to 11, 11:15. You know my time, no? 11 means 11. I will not start anyway. So 11, 11:15, 1.5 hour, 2 days or 3 days. That is also online mode only will be there for you. Right? And if management room available, they'll go with offline. That's the plan. Okay, right. But you should attend. Why means this is then a module info. That module is there, no? That module info related only. Advanced Java people also asking me a question. So for all related, I'm conducting one small workshop. Correct. Anyway. Right. Access. Right. Under M access, I'm taking one class. Same name I'll take. Demo main I will take. It's a program. Same this main only I'll copy. I'll copy. Same this only. Here auto compilation here. Because they are all internally some interlinks are there, run it. Whenever you want run, you are clicking on this run. You are clicking, answer is coming. But I must pass argument, no sir. Whenever I want to pass argument, Java command needed. But here Java command not there, no auto executable, no. Java command is running already. If I click on run, that Java command only running. Okay, right. Then how to give arguments means to see there. Can you see run here? Starting I given notes to you. Run. If click on run, can you see run configurations? If you click on run and run, answer will come. I don't run it. Run configurations. Can you see the word run configurations? Click it. When you click on this run configurations, can you see arguments here? Right. Click on it. Arguments. You click it. Here, program arguments. Whatever you want to pass, you can pass here. All of you understood this? Right. Just you try once. In interview, they may ask a question. Okay, we're running command and how to run from your Eclipse. Because they want to test only core Java, they'll ask this question. Okay, right. Here I'll give this false and run it. The answer is coming or not now? All of you understood now? Click on run. Run configurations, arguments, pass arguments. Run once, you will remember. Okay, right. If anybody asks, you can change that arguments every time. Run configurations, you can change it. Arguments, you can change that. Some thread, run, task, start. Roughly I'm giving. Run it. Changing or not now, right? All of you understood how to run it? Okay, just for knowledge purpose only. Command line argument meaning is passing arguments while execution command. We call it as command line argument program. These arguments are accommodated to the string array of main, and this is the diagram. Hope you got the clarity, I think. Right, okay. Some more programs I must show based on strings. Okay, right. Because strings has many methods, I'll come there. Okay, right. Okay. Can I go forward? Right. Okay. In your real time also, if any examinations are there for you, definitely examination rounds will be there. If you are a fresher, you are expecting some examination, no system test will be there and so on. Okay, right. So now it is common, I think, today. What you have to concentrate on system test, especially programmatical test. Theoretically, you will by ahead and go. Somewhere you will read it, you will by ahead it. That is your stronger only anyway, right? Whenever the system test is there, you have to concentrate on strings. You have to concentrate on array. These two are playing a role. Why they'll ask more questions on strings and array means I made a statement. Index value based organization is available. Means we are organizing individual characters. We are organizing individual elements. So they can ask more questions on the string and array. That array also, they'll ask the combination with the string they will ask. This is only toughest to program. Because array with wrapper class easy only. Because all values only 12, 13, 14 easy. Array with the user defined class object is very hard. Moreover, for your given time of system test, a student cannot answer. They also know. So they will not ask this one. In examination, they will not ask. Here less questions, more questions this only. Because string having characters, moreover, complex will be there. So easily they can frame a questions and make you more tougher. So you are expecting questions, combinations on this. So string array and array holding strings is playing a key role. But array holding user defined class objects, knowledge needed. Knowledge means if you go to real time scenario developments, customer objects will be there, employee objects will be there, student objects will be there. When you go to your product stores, product object will be there. Here all are product stores only in the market. If you go to Himalaya bookstore, example, that also product store. Their product name is book. That is one product store. Product name is book. When you go to Reliance Fresh, not there, I think nowadays. Reliance Fresh, if you go, Reliance Fresh also product store, but the product name is provisional product. Maybe paste will be there, soap will be there. If you go to medical shop, product store, but product name is tablet. All of you understood this one. So product only will play key role. No, sir. I'm not walking on the road. I'll buy in the online. Flipkart, Amazon is there. Product store. There are types of products available. No, mobiles will be there. Or any other. So everywhere in your surrounding, products are available. All are products only. The type of product name is changing. So all are products. If you open your mobile phone, product store only will be there. If you walk on the road, product store only will be there. Beyond that, somebody is buying that product. Somebody is ordering that product. Who is that person? Maybe a student, maybe an employee, maybe a customer. These three people only will be there. Yes or no? Maybe he is a customer, general customer. Maybe he is a student. Maybe he is an employee. Only these three persons will be there. Other than this, what is available? Banking sector available. Other than what is available, banking sector will be there. So these only projects are available in the market. Other than this, what is there? Bookings are there. TSRTC, APSRTC, train booking, your movie booking, booking apps will be there. If you see any project, they will be linked there only. Understood this point? When you go to your college and library management, sir, library management also product store related only, no, sir. If you go to one hospital, patient and doctor management will be there. Of course, there is a person management. If we observe these all into real time, they will be interlinked to define one only. Maybe name will be there, maybe ID will be there, maybe designation will be there, maybe address will be there, maybe phone number will be there, maybe mail ID is there. If it is a person management, if it is a product management, ID will be there, one code will be there. If not, one name will be there, one price will be there. If I order it, one quantity will be there. If you can simplify and look into real time, you can easily organize the project. So this is array holding multiple user-defined class. This is project form. But when you come to real-time scenario, we cannot define how much data will flow. Suppose if I open one Flipkart, I want to search one mobile phone cost from 20 to 30,000. I want to see the range of one mobile phone in Samsung models. I want to give a range from 20,000 to 30,000. My budget is from 20,000 to 30,000. I want to go with best mobile phone from Samsung. I am searching. Search results. We cannot expect how many will come. 100, 200, 500 or 20, 30. We cannot expect. Suppose I took one array of size 50. Number of mobiles 100K. Array cannot withstand, no? That only major drawback of array. Arrays are not used in real-time applicative area. Arrays are used in the interview only. All interview questions will be array. Applicative area, arrays are less used. The reason, array size once defined cannot be modified at runtime. Runtime means once execution started with array size 50, suddenly 100 books came or 100 mobiles came to accommodate. Array size immediately cannot grow. That is a drawback of array. Make it disadvantage of array. Array size once defined cannot be modified at runtime or execution time. Array size once defined cannot be modified at runtime or execution time. Array size once defined cannot be modified at runtime or execution time because of this reason, arrays are not preferable in real time, to hold runtime and dynamic data. Runtime and dynamic data. Array size once defined cannot be modified at runtime or execution time. Because of this reason, arrays are not preferable in real time to hold runtime and dynamic data. Here runtime means while execution started, the data will come. Array sometimes cannot hold that. Dynamic means changing data will come. If I keep on searching something in the online, the changing data 20 will come, 30 will come, 40 will come, only 2 will come, only 3 will. Dynamic means changing data will come. When the changing data, execution data, arrays are not preferable to hold it. In real-time applications, arrays are not used. We are not preferring to use. But arrays are very popular for your system test for examinations. Beyond that, arrays are only knowledge you have to carry forward, not number of programs. You have to practice only for system test. Beyond that, not needed arrays. Then Hauser, make it note. Disadvantage of arrays. Disadvantage of arrays can be overcome using collection. Can be overcome using collection. Overcome using collection. Disadvantage of arrays can be overcome using collection. Generic E. E means any type of element. Now comes your next popular unit, Java collection framework. JCF. Java collection framework. Java collection framework. Java collection framework. So define collection. Define collection. Normal definition. Normal definition. What is collection? The group of elements is known as collection. So wherever the group is there, you can call it as, we are also collection of students. We are grouped here. So wherever multiple group is there, that you can say collection. Sir, I had a habit of collecting coins. I had a habit of collecting some keychains, something. I have a habit of collecting books. Nobody will be there with collecting books, I think. Right? Like this, some collection means group. Okay. Now, anybody is having habit of reading books? Anybody in the room? Okay, very good. Who are reading? Some story books that you never read. Story books or novels. Anybody read it? You read it. You must read it. No problem. Read some book. Anybody have a habit of reading papers, newspapers? Raise your hands. Right. Okay. Read the papers at least, but try to read English paper. Why means you will not understand, no? So many words you can gather it. Try to read English paper. Try to read novels if possible. Which make you to motivate you or something, read it. Why you have to read it means developers has to read it. Because when you're reading, mind will be concentrated somewhere that will help you. Day by day, the mind is becoming weaker. If you read something, the concentration will be very high. You have to read it. If not, mobile phones, if you see, mind will go. Because all scratch will come. That. So try to read it. The group of elements. The group of elements is known as collection. Group of elements is known as a collection. That is general definition. Group of elements. Underline. Group of elements. Group of elements is known as a collection. General definition, that is. Okay, right. Our library component. Make it. Define C capital collection generic form in bracket Java component means Java related alphabet. This is. So collection is an interface from java.util package. Collection is an interface from java.util package and which is root of Java collection framework. Collection is an interface from java.util package and which is root of Java collection framework. Total Java collection framework. Starting point is a collection interface. This collection interface is extended into the following sub interfaces. The collection interface is extended into the following sub interfaces. 1. List. One is queue. one is set. These three are the extensions of collection. These three are the extensions of collection. List, queue, and set. Sir, here collection means one interface. Okay. What is this framework, sir? Write it. Define framework. The structure which is ready, constructed, and available for application the structure which is ready, constructed, and available for application development. The structure which is ready, constructed, and available for application development is known as framework. Framework means ready, constructed. It's the meaning. Already constructed and available. Spring framework. Web service framework. They are ready, constructed, and available. You have to use them. So collection also ready, constructed only. So total information behind this title, Java Collection Framework. The title explanation is like this. Sir, Java means library, which represents library. Which represents library. Collection means interface. That is library interface. E means generic. It's a generic interface. Framework means ready, constructed, and available. Ready, constructed, and available. Comment like this and keep it, all of you. What is the total meaning of this unit is Java library interface which is ready, constructed, and available. The interface completely constructed and available. You have to use it. Completely constructed means interface there, interface implementations also available. Total constructed and available. We call it as Java Collection Framework. It is ready, constructed, and available for you. You have to use it. That's the meaning of this framework. Now I am drawing that structure. Complete constructed structure I am drawing. Right. Below this, complete structure of Java collection framework. Complete structure of Java collection framework. I'll draw it just to observe it. After that, you can copy the diagram from your material. Great. See there. I'm trying to construct this. So list one interface, that is. This interface will have 3 implementations. Array list. This is one class. Linked list. One class. One class. Vector. Vector. One class. This interface implemented here. This interface implemented here. This interface implemented here. Here, interface also constructed, implementations also constructed. All are constructed and available. Vector will have one child, that is stack. One stack. This is one class. Here, extends. Now, we had Q here. Q. Q. One interface. Q has one abstract class. That is abstract Q. This is one abstract class. Interface to abstract class, it is implements. This abstract class is extended to priority queue. Priority queue. One class. Here to here we had extends. You will have DQ, one sub-interface known as DQ, double-ended queue. So DQ is an interface. Interface to interface, it is extends. This DQ will have one implementation, that is array DQ. Array DQ. Array DQ, one class. This DQ implements here. And now set, we had set. Set is one interface. The set will have hash set, hash set, one class. So linked hash set, linked hash set, one class. Set is implemented here. Set is implemented here. Implements. This hash set extends. Some link is there, extends. Now here, sorted set. Sorted set, one interface. Where set is extends here. Sorted set extends to navigable set. Navigable set. One interface. Extends. This navigable set implemented to tree set. Tree set. One class. Implements. Right. Now, all these three will be under collection. Collection. One interface coming from util, java.util. This collection extends here. This collection extends here. this collection. This collection will have one parent. Many people don't know. Iterable. One interface. This iterable is extended here. This iterable will come from Lang. It is not from util. It is Lang. Java dot Lang. This iterable will hold three methods. Iterator. SPL iterator. You know SPL iterator? No. For each. These three methods are available for iterable. Means it provides these three methods to all its children. This is your collection framework. That is already constructed and available. Not only framework. The easiest chapter is this one only. Because they are already there. We are going to use them. Understood this point? All right. That's why they call it as framework. You are never write anything here. Already there. You must know how to use them. Now this diagram is a hierarchical inheritance diagram. Because collection, three hierarchies. One is list hierarchy, queue hierarchy, set hierarchy. Hierarchical inheritance. Understood this point? There is a diagram. So here one more arrow will be there. Whatever the DQ available here, this DQ is implemented to your linked list also from the library. This DQ implemented to here also. Events. So this is the diagram. All of you understood the diagram? Right. Now our unit is discussing all. Every component will be discussed now. When you complete all components, collection framework is over. And everybody should by heart this diagram, not now. It takes 7 to 8 sessions. It takes. After 7 to 8 sessions, you also must be in position to draw this diagram. Then collection framework will be under your control. Moreover, this is data structure components. Set is there, list is there, queue is there, linked list is there, DQ is there, stack is there. They are data structure components only. But I am not using the word data structure now only. I'll use my terminology first, collection. Then I'll use your global terminology, data structure. Data structure nothing but data structure. Reverse it. Structure data means keep the data in one order. That only data structure. Unnecessary students are hype creating there. They don't know why they create hype. Data structure means keep the data in one order so that you can search it, you can read it easily. If you go to one medical shop, well-ordered data is available. That's called perfect data structure. If you ask one tablet, they'll go and search it. Of course, that Apollo people also don't know anything. If you ask a tablet, they'll type no. They also don't know yes or no. No. They'll ask your spelling once again, they'll type. When they type, what happen, you know, the rack number also will come. They will not show to you the rack because they'll walk to that rack directly. Observed or not? No. That rack number will be there down. That rack number will come down. That rack number will, that option given. Then that rack only they'll keep a tablet or nearer. If anybody new person came, he'll drop the tablet nearer. If you change the tablet, then the software will not work. That's a different issue. Because he will walk there directly. Because how he will remember, and if he can remember, why he will be there? He will be in the R&D only, no? So there one easy softwares will control human being also. He will control him actually. If you enter the tablet name CLA means that options will come. That he'll see which tablet they'll see, you click it. Therefore, MG will come, down one rack number will come, he'll go to that rack and see it. Moreover, number of stock availability also will come. That's called well-ordered data. If well-ordered data is searching easy, finding easy, editing easy, and this is all because of data structure. Data structure means keeping the data in a proper order. To do the data structure, some components will help you. For Java developer, these components will help for data structure. I'm not using the term now only. I'm using my interface name. What is the interface name now? Collection. The point. Hope you understood this diagram, what I drawn. Okay, so watch this diagram there. From this diagram, we are taking the list outside. What you are taking first now? List. We are going to work with the list. Can you see the first one in the list now? Array list. Array list is the exact replacement of array. Array list. Difference is array, you are size restricted. Array list, no size. It will hold unlimited. It will hold unlimited. 5 means 5 only. For me, unlimited. Remaining all same. Whatever the array programs you done, you can do with the array list. It is the exact replacement of array. In real time, whenever you want to use array, you must use array list. Here also in system test also, if they ask the array, use array list, nothing is there, no problem. Answer will come. Because organizing data in collection is more easy when compared to array. Right. Now make a siding list. All of you understood at least what I'm going to do in the collection framework. So one structure has been drawn. The structure will be explained to you one by one. List is an interface from java.util package. List is an interface from java.util package and which organizes elements based on index values. List means index value will be there like array. List means index value available. Remember the statement. Y means very simple to remember. Nothing is there. See there, all of you. Collection has how many parts now? Collection has how many parts now? 3 parts. What are they now? List, queue, set. Difference is list, index will be there. Queue, algorithm, not index. Queue means algorithm. Set means no index. Set means no index. Queue means algorithm. First in, first out. So list means index is there. One component with index, one component without index, one component based on algorithm. So 3 categories available. Hierarchy. Collection has 3 hierarchies. One with index, one without index, one based on algorithm. That's all. So list means always index values available. When the indexes are there, it can hold duplicate elements. Make it list. List can hold duplicate elements. List can hold duplicate elements. List can hold duplicate elements. So index values are there. Duplicate elements it can hold. These are the basic informations to you. List will have its own methods. If I open the list here, you can observe it. See there. Java P, Java dot util dot list. The list extended from where now? Collection. That all I drawn. List extends from collection. List extends from collection. List is having its own methods because list has to give the methods to its children. No, it will take from the parent and give to children. So we write the methods available from list. Make it the following are some important methods from list. The following are some important methods from list. The following are some important methods from list. You cannot write all methods, wait it. Size method will be there. Is empty method, contains method, contains method, add method, remove method, contains all, add all by index, remove all, retain all, replace all, sort and clear. Equals hash code not needed. Get by index, set by index, add by index, remove by index, finding index of one element. Sublist. Taking the sublist. Iterator, list iterator. Where is iterator? Iterator down. Iterator, list iterator, SPL iterator is a new one. Off method. This is off. Then remaining offs not needed, one off taken. And if you want to convert into array, you can convert to the methods. You must write all the methods, but write only names. Only names you write. Size is empty, contains, add like this. You write a names. Write it, list. Because system test is there, their methods will come. The biggest chapter is collection. So don't miss the class. Almost 8 sessions. Don't miss this backbone. Collection framework over means you can take a long breath. The batch will be ended. The ending. It's only major chapter. All are used in the real time. So only names you write. Size is empty, contains, add, remove, contains all, add all. Add all one came, no, don't write second one. Remove all, retain all, replace all, sort, clear. Only names you write, just like a column. Write it and leave it. Because already you can see in the library, but in the reading process, you have to by heart them. Only 3 components, you must by heart them. So I'm going to use all methods now. One by one. Practically, I'm going to use it. Oh, array is there. Forget it. If you want to convert into array, you can convert. They given a method known as array. So tomorrow I'll do the practical with the list. So you know array, no, same flavor will be there. Array flavor only. Nothing but we are working with arrays only indirectly. There also index is there. Here also index is there. Difference is there limited, here unlimited. That's only difference. So the flavor looks the same. Indirectly we are in this array chapter only we are. Okay, right. Because I took array list first tomorrow, right? Tomorrow you'll get a clarity. Why I asked you, this is the biggest methods available in the list only. Remaining all small methods only. But more methods will be available in the list. List is very popular in real time. Very popular. We are going to have a discussion. Tomorrow, Friday, no? Friday, Saturday, completely we are working on list. We are working. It takes 2 days or 3 days it will take. Means 3 sessions almost it takes for list. After completing list only, queue will come. After completing queue only set. Means program will be decreasing and coming because maximum informations here only will come. Right? So number of programs will be decreased. Slowly it will be decreased. Great. Take a break. Thank you very much for today. Yesterday's notes updated. Ah, overriding. Huh? Ah.
అది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏముండదు కదా డేటా జీరో నల్ రిఫరెన్స్ అయినా కానీ డేటా చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ అయ్యే సార్ పేరెంట్ క్లాస్ తప్పించాను పేరెంట్ క్లాస్ తప్పు కాపీ చేసి రన్ చేయకుండా ప్రోగ్రామ్ చైల్డ్ క్లాసే వస్తుంది కాపీ వేరే కాపీ చేసి